I said, it's got twin cam and turbocharged and reaches some airy speeds. He said, I tell you what, I'll give you 1,200 sovs. I was laughing all the way to the lead. Well, I did bung in some free goggles. Well, they got this new account there by the name of Liquid Gold. Yeah, I know that sounds like a lager, but listen, son, and you'll be sold. I certainly was. You see, they pay you extra interest, and you never have to worry, because you can get your dough out when you like, if you should need it in a hurry, which is handy in my line of work. I said, there's no way I'll give refunds. He said, son, this thing's a wreck. Now, I'm a very good friend of Meat Hook Mike. I said, would sir like cash or cheque? He says, whatever's quicker, son. When I got the money out of the leads, I couldn't have felt much sicker. Still, at least a week it was in there. It earned a couple of bigger.
Liquid Gold now pays up to 9.5% for bigger savers, so laugh all the way to the leads.
I'll never forget our first date. Him turning up on that big noisy thing. All he ever spoke about was bite this, bite that. I used to joke he'd leave me for one. Should have known then they'd be around for life. So when he passed, we wanted to celebrate him his way.
At Co-op, we know everyone is different. That's why we offer funeral plans to funeral services that are personal, every step of the way.
Oh, it's another question where you can make it happen again.